So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about how to design your flyer with AI. So in order to do this, you come over to your ChatGPT. You can see. So you come over to your ChatGPT. So you press here. So when you press there, you press on image. Okay, you press on image. When you press on image, you scroll like this. All right, you scroll. Okay, all those pictures that are there, you just scroll it. You scroll it. You look for this studio picture. This one. This one. You look for it. So when you look for it, you press it. Once you press it, you press on choose photo. Okay. So once you press on choose photo, you are going to look for your picture that you want to convert, because the idea of this thing is to convert some of our picture to a picture that we can actually edit. So I'm just going to put this one. I'm going to put it like that. So I'm waiting for it to load. So now it started generating me image. It's going to shorten my image, and it's going to make it look like how do I say it, a studio picture. Okay, any picture that you want to put there, just make sure that you are focused on camera. Your cloth did not actually matter. AI can help you give you another cloth, but your face should show very well, because that is what AI is going to work with. So it's not going to give you another face. It's going to work with your face to help you polish and edit the image very well. So my own is edited now. You can see that it has cut the image into small one. So I'm just going to download it. I'm going to press on download. Here is it. So I'm going to press on download. After I press on that download, I wait for it to load. It has downloaded. So the next thing now is to go and remove the background of this image. So you go on your Play Store. You go on your Play Store. So you go on your Play Store, you type remove BG. That's what I used to remove my image background. Remove BG, you can see. So when you type on remove BG, you press it, and then this is what you are going to install. My own is open because I have installed it. Your own will be installed. So make sure you install it. Once you open it, this is the picture that we are going to use on our flyer, just like this one that you are seeing now. Just like this one that you are seeing now. This is the picture that we are going to use on our flyer. So I'm going to press upload. I will select the image that I want to use. So I'll just pick this one. I'm going to remove the background. So let's wait for that thing to work. And so it has been removed. So I just have to press on download. So when I press on download, I will press on free. And here I have my image with me. So now, before I go, I want you guys to check something. I'm going to give you this prompt, but you will see where they write product I want to sell. You put the name of your product there, your sub headline, you put it there, what they are going to learn. So if you don't know, you tell ChatGPT to help you bring out the value that you can add on your flyer. And you give ChatGPT your title of the product, and you tell ChatGPT to bring out at least 4 to 5 value that people can see on flyer to make purchase or to show interest. So, and it's going to give you the list of these things that are here. So I just have to copy this now. I'm copying everything, and I will take it to ChatGPT, where we are going to get our brand new prompt. Okay, so I will send it. So once I send it, it's going to generate me new prompts. So I just have to wait for it to get the job done. And here is the prompt that it gave me. So all I have to do is to copy the prompt. So when I copy the prompt, and I will take it to Google Gemini. So let's wait for Google Gemini to open, and let's get this job done very quickly. So I'm going to press on create image, and I will press this place. I will select on 3.5 flash. Okay, so I will press the next thing I'm going to press is this plus. So once I press that plus, I'm going to bring the image that I remove its background. So I'll bring this image, and I will press it. This is the image here, and press it. Okay, so I will press it. Now that I press it, I'll paste the master prompt here. So I'm going to paste it here. I'll paste it here. I can just remove this master prompt of a thing for common for your head. So so let me just remove this one. So let me remove this one. I'm going to press and I will send it. That's all I need to do. I'm going to send it and I'm going to wait for it to be done. Okay, I'm going to wait for it to be done. So let's wait. So, and as you guys can see, ChatGPT just generated the flyer for completely free. Wow. This is great to see. So I just have to save it. I save it. I mean, this is good for ad. It's very clear, easy to read. People can see what they're gaining access to. There is nothing actually complicated. Okay. Alright. So not actually complicated. You can see. So that's how to do it. Now, if you download this thing, you may apparently have a logo on it. Okay. So all you have to do is to go to your browser and type Light PDF. So when you type on Light PDF, you click on this first one. Okay. So when you click on this first one, they will ask you to log in with your Google account. So you just have to do that. I have taught some people how to do this, but I think I have to teach everybody now. So you press on PDF tools, then you scroll down, you will see AI image watermark remover, then you press it. So when you press it, it's going to prompt you to where you can upload that your image. Okay, so this is where I'm uploading. I will press on upload. I will select what I want to select. Let me look for it in my phone. You know how to find yours. Okay. So you don't have to do anything. All you have to press is remove. So this AI tool will help you locate where the watermark is and it will automatically remove it. This is my own here. Okay. So let's press. It will show processing and we just have to wait. Okay. I think it has finished work now. It will take some time, so you guys have to wait. You wait until this save button turns to blue. Okay, that is when you know that it has finished the work. As you can see, everything has been removed. I just have to press on save. Okay, save. I'll press on save, and I will have my flyer downloaded again. And you can see there is no. Let me go and show you in my phone so you can see what I'm talking about. This is the one with watermark. This is the one with watermark. Let me go and show you the one that I just do. Okay, you can see there's no watermark. It has been removed. So that's how you remove Gemini watermark on your project or any of the image that you generated. Okay.